Forno Appliances introduces you to the model 6187 gas range 60-inch cooking stove. This model features a massive solid iron cast cooking grill. The 10 dual burners are made from Italian solid brass and can output up to 20,000 BTU. The Italian brass burners have a double entry gas line which allows you to sim as low as 1000 BTU. It offers you a fully adjustable stainless steel square leg support that makes leveling easy and quick. The bevel-shaped design offers a unique professional look. The durable stainless steel Type 304 made of chromium and nickel to provide the best protection against corrosion. Thick, durable, pro-style handle door with large viewing window. There are 14 heavy-duty cast zinc knobs that illuminate. Light temperature indicator. The 6187 model is equipped with controllable LED lights providing a unique lighting ambiance. Easy to locate and operate cooking switches. Comes equipped with an iron cast black wok ring holder, sturdy and durable, suitable for stove cooking. The surface is of black enamel cooktop for easy maintenance and cleaning. This model comes equipped with 2 cast iron grills that are reversible and movable. The interior stove has a stylish blue enamel color. There are 6 telescopic stainless steel racks, 3 in each oven, with easy grip handles for easy rolling and adjustable in height in both ovens. Tough and enforced stainless steel hinges. This model has an oven capacity size of 4.32 cubic feet for each oven. The electrical oven is equipped with a top outer broiler that can output 1800 watts and an inner broiler of 1000 watts. The bottom element is of 2000 watts. The true convection fan is of 1500 watts for dispersed even heating. This model comes equipped with 2 rotating rotisserie kits with powerful motor that can handle large poultry for both ovens. There are 2 interior bright oven halogen lights for each oven. Comes equipped with an LP kit for conversion from natural to propane.